Today I'll show how to buy shares of FORMYCON AG, ticker FYB.DE, which is listed on Xetra. FORMYCON is a German biotech company developing biosimilars and therapeutic proteins. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker FYB.DE to locate the FORMYCON AG listing. Select the matching result to open the asset page for the correct stock. On the stock page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is the FORMYCON AG listing on Xetra. Review the basic info and recent price movement to ensure you have the right asset. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and submit to confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the purchase. After execution, your FORMYCON position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to try the platform, I left the eToro link in the description for your reference.